How has the widespread use of GPS navigation altered the study and design of roads in urban planning and civil engineering? This question came to me as my GPS directed me through some tiny residential roads that wasn't probably meant for through traffic when it was first planned and built. I've heard that this kind of traffic is causing a real problem these days, both for the people living on these roads and for the roads themselves, as they sustain far more traffic than they were designed for. Nevertheless, people aren't going to stop taking these routes if they save time. So how has the study of urban planning changed to adapt for this? Are new roads and neighborhoods being built differently these days to account for this? The answer: this is a subject I happen to know a lot about. The simple answer: not at all, at least not yet. GPS, however, is getting better at distinguishing different kinds of roads, streets, and direct you accordingly. There is, however, a trend in road building which, among other things, consists of build roads, streets, so that they look like their function. For example, a residential road should feel narrow, have raised pedestrian crossings, have wastes to slow down traffic, have trees next to it, and so on, to create a feeling of this is a place to go slow and be alert. On the other hand, a big feeder road should be straight, wide, and have open landscape next to it, to create a feeling of let's move along here. Separate different kinds of traffic: bike lanes, sidewalks, raised crossings for unprotected traffic, and so on. This concept was launched in the book Lugnagatan by Swedish Kommunförbundet, and it has gained a lot of traction all over the world. I know it has been translated to other languages, but I don't know the title. Direct translation of the title would be Calm Street. Science has shown that people try to drive correctly based on their impression of the road, and that it is much more effective than just signs. So this might be what you have seen on the streets roads, rather than a reaction to GPS. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains.